something really loud in this plane and it's giving me a headache. Could you please figure out what it is? I don't know, it could be the engines or something, and just do something about it? I could give you earplugs if you'd like. No, I have my own earplugs. I can still hear it. The sound is actually the engines. Okay, so then can you tell the captain to turn it off? What are you looking at? Pay attention! Boop. Hey, Captain! So, there's a passenger complaining that the engines are too loud. Can you please turn him off?